Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to access and set up the Grok AI on X or the formerly Twitter. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you're subscribed with the X Premium Plus. No subscribe, no Grok. Go to the side menu, then tap the Grok or type x.com.grok in your browser. Then you can pick up your Grok personality style. It can be fun or robotic, a regular AI mode, or it can customize it's your way. Then you can you can start prompting. You can type anything, any topics that you like, and use @groups and reply to ask questions directly under the tweets. It means that smart replies is equal to power move. Grook is your X-powered sidekick. It is a fun, fast, and shockingly helpful. Set it up today and unlock in the future. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.